Hello everyone, welcome back to another Smart Money Sunday. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So let's get started as we always do with the DXY. So last week I was looking for a rejection from this particular level as we came into NFP Friday. However, price just pushed right in through that level, showing that sellers were extremely strong. Okay, so I didn't really get any execution when it came into NFP, but in terms of where I'm my bias, I'm still actually bullish. Okay, now for those wondering why, right? There's a number of reasons. One is we have a gap here, right? For those who don't know, I made a video about the gap strategy. I recommend you go search and check that out on the channel. It's actually very informative. But what you understand is gaps in the market always get filled, okay? And we left a big gap here that needs to get filled in the market. Also, think about all the stop losses that were being held here, right? Price, all it did was liquidate those all those previous buyers, right? Flushing that liquidity into the market. Now again, I wouldn't buy here, right? In order for the bias to be accurate, what we need to see is a reclaim of 105.5, okay? I need to see a clean reclaim and a hold of this level. Okay, if I see a hold of this level coming to Monday or Tuesday, we'll likely see a push into 106 and then potentially 107. Now the reason I'm sticking to this bias is because we potentially have a power of 3 push here. Now for those who don't know, a power of 3 movement is basically when you have 3 phases in the market, right? You have accumulation of buyers and sellers, then you have manipulation, right, which is the hunt of liquidity, and then you have the expansion, right? 1, 2, 3. So right, so that's what I think we're actually seeing on the dollar, because for the past month we've been ranging, right? This is the accumulation of orders. I believe this will be the manipulation, and then I think after that we'll see expansion to the upside. Again, this idea is only valid if we see a reclaim of 105.5 for this to occur, okay? So it's very simple idea on the dollar, but this is where I will only be interested in buy. Again, price cannot break below 104.5, okay, either. So I want to see price reclaim that level without breaking below this particular low at 104.4, right? It's a very important level for structure. So yeah, that's my bias on the DXY, okay? So very simple. Now if we move over to EU, let me go into a cleaner chart, right? Right, so on EU, basically it's the same sort of idea, right? It's negatively correlated, so it's just flipped on its head. So basically what we've seen, right, for the past month is basically a retracement, okay? It's sort of a range occurring, okay, but a retracement through and through. And ideally, what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing currently is price come into a premium level, okay, a premium supply level, okay. Ideally, I'd like to see price come into 107.6. Okay, I think we can see one more push coming to Monday, a false push, and then straight push down. Now again, in order for me to get triggered or look for triggers on this, I need to see a reclaim of this range, and I need to see it convincingly. So what I'd ideally like to see is a push up, one final push up, right, to take out all extra liquidity, and then a reclaim back into this range, right, and then that's where I'll be looking to short this fucker back down into the range lows and potentially extension into the 103 level, okay. I think if this power of 3 idea is valid, I think we could see a extensive push to the downside of potentially a potential 400 500 pip movement, right, swing push occur. But this is I'm still bearish on EU. As long as this idea holds, I think we could see a very big swing push, which means a very big opportunity is on the horizon, okay. Right, let's move on now, guys. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. I do like to get these videos out to you guys every week, and if you do seek value from it, yeah, just let me know. Okay, so now let's move over to so basically we have the idea of the dollar and USD majors. Let's move over to crypto, because crypto is where I've been in most plays this week. Okay, so the first position I've been in is actually BTC. Right, we've seen some retracement occur on the lower time frame, but I've been long BTC with pro trader students and premium analysis members. Right, if I just show you here, 1 second. Right, let me go on to crypto. Right, you would have seen I shared the chart. I shared the entry for BTC as well as a few other alts. We were in actually a few alt longs over the weekend, which are actually paying out quite nicely. So took partials at this particular resistance level, but in order for plays for the new week, okay, what I want to see is price break above 35.3k. Okay, as long as this level holds, I think we're going to break above. I think that will give a clear pathway into 36k. Okay, that's the idea for BTC as we come into the new week. And then if that does occur, I think we can potentially even see, as long as momentum and structure is bullish, I think we see a very easy push into 37, 38k level on the high time frames, as I noted from the previous week. Okay, and I think alts are going to very, very much likely squeeze. All right, I'm currently in an Ethereum position as well. Right, I'm long from, me and the team are long from about $1,800 region, but I'm also looking to enter a swing position, which obviously is a much larger stop, but it's a swing position. Okay, as long as, let me move this out of the way. Okay, as long as this level holds 1876, right, I need to see this level hold. Right, we may see a smaller pullback, but I want to see a reclaim of this level, okay, for me to be looking for longs, right? And where I would be looking to target on this swing, okay, my targets will majoritively be these blue lines, okay, 1745, 2032, and my extension target, which is my main swing objective, is 2150. Okay, I think we will very likely come into this high as long as momentum sticks on, as long as BTC basically doesn't shit the bed anytime soon. I think short term we're going to see an extensive push, a lot of euphoria in the market, and that's why I'm playing with the momentum. I'm also in numerous other alts, but those are shared with students and members only. Okay, but these are basically my plan when it comes to crypto as a whole, and I think crypto is likely going to play this month. Okay, so that's why I'm looking to play the volume, and as obviously I'll be looking, this won't be my stop loss, but giving the entry trigger, I will be looking to trail my stops as well. So that's just the idea of sort of the swing I'm looking for. But if you guys enjoy this video, quite simple and straight to the point, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.